The question we are going to discuss today is: considering that the engine room is the most common single space on board ships for fire to break out, discuss the merits and demerits of the following fixed firefighting systems. Carbon dioxide, pressure water spray, high expansion foam. Let's start with carbon dioxide. Merits: effective on Class B fires. CO2 is highly effective against fires involving flammable liquids and gases, common in engine rooms. Fast fire knockdown. CO2 can quickly suppress fires, reducing damage and risk to personnel. Electrically non-conductive. CO2 is a non-conductor, making it safe for use around electrical equipment. No residue. CO2 leaves no residue, reducing cleanup and minimizing damage to equipment. Demerits: oxygen displacement. CO2 can displace oxygen, posing a risk to personnel in enclosed spaces. Toxic in high concentrations. CO2 can be harmful if inhaled in high concentrations. Limited visibility. CO2 can reduce visibility, making it difficult for personnel to escape or fight the fire. High pressure requirements. CO2 systems require high pressure, which can lead to equipment damage or malfunction. Expensive. CO2 systems can be costly to install and maintain. Let's move to next one. Pressure water spray. Merits: effective on Class A and B fires. PWS is effective against fires involving solids, liquids, and gases. Cooling effect. Water spray can cool surfaces and equipment, reducing the risk of reignition. Flood protection. PWS can flood the engine room with water, suppressing fires and reducing damage. Low cost. PWS systems are relatively inexpensive compared to other fixed firefighting systems. Easy maintenance. PWS systems have fewer components, making maintenance simpler. Demerits: water damage. PWS can cause significant water damage to equipment and electrical systems. Limited accessibility. Water spray can make it difficult for personnel to access the engine room. Freezing temperatures. Water spray can freeze in cold temperatures, potentially causing further damage. Limited effectiveness in tight spaces. PWS may not be effective in tight spaces or areas with complex geometry. Dependence on water supply. PWS relies on a consistent water supply, which may not always be available. Let's move to the last one. High expansion foam. Merits: effective in enclosed spaces. High expansion foam is designed to fill enclosed spaces, making it an effective solution for engine rooms and other areas where fires can spread quickly. Non-lethal. High expansion foam is a non-lethal agent, which means it does not displace oxygen or produce toxic fumes, making it safe for use in areas where people may be present. Fast application. High expansion foam can be applied quickly, reducing the risk of fire spreading and minimizing damage to the ship and its equipment. Demerits: wind dispersal. High expansion foam can be dispersed by wind, which may reduce its effectiveness in extinguishing the fire. Limited visibility. The foam can reduce visibility, making it difficult for firefighters to navigate the area and assess the situation. Potential for reignition. If the foam is not applied correctly or if the fire is not fully extinguished, there is a risk of reignition.